Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. Today I'm going to be planting some lobelia seeds so I can get some lobelia flowers started to plant out this spring. I'm also going to be following up on a tag video. I was tagged by Troll Forge and he tagged me in a video challenge or tag, I guess, that is about what's the story behind the name of your channel. So I'll talk about that while I plant these seeds. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll get started. Okay, so for the lobelia, I have here, it's White Lady Lobelia from TNT Seeds. As you can see, it grows 15 centimeters tall. And you're supposed to start it 10 to 12 weeks before the date of your last average frost date. So what you do with the lobelia is you just want to, they're a very, very, very fine seed, and you just want to space them out as much as you can across the soil surface, and you don't cover them at all. They need light to germinate. So I'll just get them on the soil. I'll give them a little misting, cover them up, put them under grow lights, and basically just wait for them to grow. They're a really nice plant. If you haven't seen lobelia before, they're just mounds of color. I don't know, I find the flowers are almost like, they kind of remind me of butterfly wings. They're really dainty, fluttery kind of thing. You can see like this, can you even see the seeds there? Like, they are tiny. I've been following this garden tag and listening to a lot of great stories about the creativity and the background to everybody's channel name. And I think mine will be a little bit of a disappointment, as it's just, I thought I was kind of looking for how people could find me on YouTube and in what I was looking for when I had started kind of looking on YouTube. And so I thought, well, prairie, you know, I'm trying to find things about growing in the prairie, and I'm trying to show people about growing in the prairies. It's a little bit different climate than other places. So I picked prairie, and then it was about plants, so plant, and I'm a girl, I guess, so I picked girl, so Prairie Plant Girl. And that's really all there is behind my YouTube channel name. So you can see I'm putting these in pretty thickly, and I'll probably just separate these out as they get larger into their own pots. So there, I'll just put a tag in these, and then I'll just put a cover on them just to keep the humidity, and I'll put them under my lights. So that's all there is to getting the lobelia started. Just get those minuscule little seeds down on top some damp soil, and let the light get to them. You know, I'll cover them up, like I said, to hold the humidity in, and I'll get them under some lights and just wait for them to grow. As for the tag challenge, like I said, Troll Forge had challenged me in this tag, and I need to tag 3 more channels. So I would like to challenge DIGWELL GREENFINGERS. He has a great channel. He does cooking, gardening, just great way of looking at things. So I enjoy his videos. And Garden Obsessions is a couple. They're actually a military family, and they're on their way to a new adventure right now. So I'm enjoying following all their videos, and especially now as they move on, it'll be interesting to see what changes they make and what they bring with them, and just what new challenges they encounter. But I'd love to see how, you know, how they came up with their channel name. And then I've just discovered very recently a channel called Eating My Yard. I think that's a really creative name, and I'd love to hear how she came up with it. She has a garden in California, lots of vegetables, and she just has a really nice approach to gardening. Makes you feel like you're just visiting along with her. So I'd love to hear how all these channels came up with their channel names, and if you want to participate, I'd love to see that. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to continue to see my videos, not miss any, then hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.